Looks like we got a response. There's ladder 410, 210 just left. Oh, it could be a big one. Looks like it's on St. Catherine Street or something, because that truck that just came down there was coming from the north. All right, let's go see if we can see anything. Well, there's a chief's vehicle, and they only respond if there's something happening, usually. Oh yeah, look at this. Not sure exactly. It could be because it's the university building here. They're taking a precaution. Oh, there's 2 pumper trucks, 2 ladders, and this vehicle here, and the chief's vehicle. So I'm not sure exactly what this is all about. Last time I did a video here, they had a sprinkler system going off in that coffee shop there. I'm not sure what this is. Anyways, nothing really of interest. Little action for a Sunday night, though. Actually, a Monday night. Had today off, so it feels like a Sunday. Anyway, have a good day, y'all.